Hello students, let's start chapter 2, that is line integrals. So there is a first definition of line integrals of scalar functions. So the definition is let C be a smooth curve given by curve C is given by RT is equal to F1 Ti plus F2 Tj plus F3 K, where T is between A to B. Okay, this is a smooth curve, we denote it by C, and let F is a continuous function over C. Okay, this is a curve and F is a continuous function over C. Then the line integral of F over C is given by integration of f of x y z ds over C is equal to integration of f of f1t, f2t, f3t mod of vt dt, integration from A to B. Means we apply this function f on f1t, means this is f1t, f2t, f3t. We consider f1t as x, y, z like this, and mod of vt means from this r of t, mod of vt means mod of dr by dt. From rt we take its derivative dr by dt and its magnitude. Okay, so let us solve example. This is a formula for the line integral. Let us solve example of it. Evaluate integration over C x plus y ds, where C is the straight line segment, x is equal to t, y is equal to 1 minus t, z is equal to 0, from which point 0 1 0 to 1 0 0. Okay, now here what is function? Here function x y z is x plus y. Okay, f of x y z is x plus y. Now here what is from this x is equal to t, y is equal to 1 minus t, z is equal to 0, we write the equation for RT, for curve. So we have the parameterization of C as RT is equal to x is, means RT is xi plus yi plus zd plus zk. Okay, so here x is t, so ti plus 1 minus tj, z is 0, so 0 into k, where t varies between 0 to 1. Okay, now from this r what we do, because in formula we need mod of vt, means we need dr by dt. So from this r we will find out dr by dt. So what will be dr by dt? Its derivative with respect to t, that will be I minus j. So mod of dr by dt, that is its mod of that is what we called it as a mod of vt, mod of I minus j, that is square root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. Okay, that is, it is magnitude of velocity root 2. It is never 0, so we can say that C is a smooth curve. Therefore integral of f of x y z is from this integral of f of x y z is equal to x plus y over C is, so using this formula, integration of C f of x y z ds is integration from which point? From 0 to 1. Now this is f of function, that is f of RT mod of dr by dt into dt, that is 0 to 1 f of. Now what are x y z here? X is t, means f1 is t. Okay, f1 of I, like this here, f1 of I, f2 of j, so that are f1 f2. So here our f1 is t, f2 is 1 minus t, f3 is 0. So integration 0 to 1 f of RT mod of dr by dt into dt, that is 0 to 1 f of t 1 minus t 0 mod of vt dt, that is integration 0 to 1. What will be f of t 1 minus t 0? Now f of x y z is x plus y. Okay, taking addition of first two numbers, so here will be, we will take addition of t and 1 minus t, that will be 1. So 1 dot mod of vt, what is mod of vt? That is root 2 dt. So after integration what we get? Answer is root 2. Okay, so similarly next example, evaluate the integral of f of x y z is xy plus y plus z over the curve given by curve C given by RT is 2ti plus tj plus 2 minus 2tk, t varies from 0 to 1, it is given. Now for this example RT is given, so let us use the formula again. So here what is C? C is given as RT is 2ti plus tj plus 2 minus 2tk. Okay, t is between 0 to 1. So from this we will find out dr by dt. What is dr by dt? Dr by dt will be t, okay, sorry, 2 derivative of each of these. So derivative of 2t I, so it will be 2i plus j minus 2k. Okay, so what will be its modulus? First of all we will find out derivative, that is, so here our dr by dt will be derivative of 2ti, that is 2i, derivative of 2i, derivative of t is 1, so it is 1, and derivative of 2 0, derivative of minus 2ti will be minus 2k. Okay, therefore what will be its length? Square root of 4 plus 1 square plus 4, that is root 9, so it is 3. Okay, so therefore here mod of dr by dt is 3. It is never 0, so C is a smooth curve. Therefore its integration is integration of f over c ds is equal to integration from, what is t value, is from 0 to 1, so integration from 0 to 1 f of rt mod of dr by dt dt, that is substituting all these value, integration from 0 to 1. Now f of rt is, here we consider 2t as x, if this is y, and 2 minus 2t as a z, and using the formula for function. Now what is function? Now for this example, what is given? For this example, f of x y z is xy plus y plus z. So using this formula, we get here f of rt as 2t square minus t plus 2, and mod of dr by dt, that is 3. Okay, length is 3 into dt. So after solving this, we get the answer as 13 upon 2. Now there are some properties of line integral. So the first property is, consider there are two curves. First property is, if suppose this is curve C1, this is curve C2. Okay, now for this interval A to C, curve is C1. For another interval, for t varies from C to B, there is a curve C2. Then the integration of f over this complete C will be, that is, integration over complete C is same as integration over C1 union C2, and that will be integration over C1 plus integration over C2. Here the end point of first curve is the starting point of the second curve. Okay, so it is written here, if C1 C2 are the curves given by R is equal to R1t, means this curve first, for t belongs to A to C, there is R1A, R1C, and R1C such that, and R second is R2T, where T belongs to C to B. Okay, interval C to B, such that R1C is equal to R2C, so that the final point of C1 coincide with the initial point of C2. Then we said that the curve C1 and C2 can be added, and their sum is C1 plus C2 or C1 union C2. Okay, the sum C1 plus C2 is defined on AB by RT. This is first curve, smooth curve R1T on this interval. So another is R2. Okay, then the integration of f over C will be integration of f over C1 plus integration of f over C2. So similarly, another property is, suppose C consists of a finite number of curves C1, C2, Cn joined end to end, and the function f is continuous on C. F is continuous on each of these curves C1, C2 up to Cn. Then the integral of f over C is the sum of the integral over the curves that make it up. Means what? Like this. Now look at this graph. The complete curve C is made up with what? C1, C2, C3, C4. So integration of f over C will be sum of integration over C1 plus integration over C2 plus like this. Okay, where C is C1 union C2 union up to Cn. And the third property, that is, if the curve C is given by R is equal to RT with initial point A of RA and the final point B of RB. Initial point A, final point B. Okay, this is curve C with initial point A, final point B. Then minus c will denote the same curve but the initial point B, final point A. Means what? If c is the curve with starting point A, ending point B, then minus c will be the curve with starting point B and ending point A. Okay. Now here R1 can be denoted as R of A plus B minus T, and integration of F over minus C curve, integration of F over minus C is same as minus of integration of F over C. Okay. Let us solve example. Integrate f of x y z is x plus root y minus z square over the path 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 given by there are two curves. C1 is RT, that is Ti plus T square j. T varies from 0 to 1, and C2 is RT, it's I plus j plus Tk. T varies from 0 to 1. Now here the curve C is given by C is equal to C1 union C2. Therefore by property integration of f ds over C will be integration of f over C1 plus integration of f over C2. Now we will find out these two integrals and then we will add them. Okay. Now what is C1? C1 is this first, that is RT is equal to Ti plus T square j. From this what will be dr by dt? Dr, its derivative with respect to T will be I plus 2Tj. Therefore its modulus will be, that is its length will be square root of 1 plus 4T square. And what will be f of RT? F of RT. Now what is f of x y z? X plus root y minus z square. So f of RT, here x we will consider x as t, y as t square and z as 0. So f of RT is equal to, using this formula, x means here t plus t square is y, so square root of t square, and next minus z square, here z is 0, so minus 0. So what we get here, t plus t, that is 2t. F of RT is 2t. Okay. So therefore integration of f over C1 by formula, integration from 0 to 1, because t varies from 0 to 1, f of RT means 2t. Okay. F of RT into mod v is square root of 1 plus 4t square into dt. Next we solve this integration. Okay. So how to solve it? So here you can see that so what is given integral? Integration of 0 to 1 2t integration of 1 plus 4t square into dt. Okay. Now here, now it is 1 plus 4t square. What is derivative of 1 plus 4t square? That is 8t. Okay. Here you can adjust 8t. So 8t means we multiply here by 4, so we divide it by 4. Square root of 1 plus 4t square dt. Now let us put, to solve this means we want the formula for what? We want formula for, I am writing it here, integration of, here is f dash of x, here square root of fx dx. Okay, we have to solve this type of integral. So let us put fx is equal to t. Therefore f dash of x dx will be dt. Okay. Therefore what it becomes, integration of f dash of dx is dt and f of x is t, means we can write it as root t dt. What is the integration of root t? It is 1 upon 2 root t, right? So using this we can write here, for this we can write this 1 upon 4 as it is, 1 upon 4 as it is. Integration of this will be, integration for this will be what? 1 upon 2. Now here what was our t? T means f of x. Okay. T means f of x. So 1 upon 2 square root of our f of x is 1 plus 4t square. Okay. With limits 0 to 1. That is 1 upon 4. Here 1 upon, we can take this to outside, so 1 upon 8, and applying limit here, what we get? 1 upon square root of 5 minus 1. Okay, so what we get? 1 upon 8. So here we get, sorry, here is a mistake, integration of root t dt. So what we get here, that is integration of t raised to half dt. So it will be t raised to half plus 1, that is t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, that is 2 upon 3 t raised to 3 by 2. And what is our t here? That is t is f of x. So 2 by 3 f of x raised to 3 by 2. So let us apply this formula for this. Now we are finding integration for this. This is square root of fx, this is f dash of x into dx, like this. So this 1 upon 4 as it is. Okay, and what is formula? 2 by 3 fx raised to 3 by 2. fx is 1 plus 4t square raised to 3 by 2 with limits from 0 to 1. Okay, we can take this 2 outside, 2 by 3 outside. So what we get? It will be 1 by 6 after applying limit. Here t1, then it is 5 raised to 3 by 2 means 5 root 5 and minus what? 0. 1 raised to 3 by 2, that is 1. Means what we get? Our first integral is 1 by 6, 5 root 5 minus 1. Okay, that is this 1 by 6, 5 root 5 minus 1. Similarly, we will find integration for second curve. So what is C2 is given? C2 is I plus j plus tk. Okay, again from this we will find out dr by dt. So dr by dt, its derivative with respect to t will be, it is 1, so derivative 0, it is 1, derivative 0 for t, derivative 1, so it is k. So mod of dr by dt, square root of 1 square, that is 1. So again we use the formula. And what is f of x y z? F of x y z is x plus root y minus z square. Means here that will be 1. Okay, 1 plus square root of 1, that is 2, minus what? Z square, means minus t square. So that will be 2 minus t square. Therefore, by using formula f of x y z ds, that is f of r to t, that is 2 minus t square upon length of dr by dt, we just calculate it as 1. Okay, length of dr by dt, that is 1. We substitute this value here, and after integration we find the answer 5 by 3. Okay, so integration over complete curve is integration over first curve plus integration over second curve. So that will be addition of both, we get this answer. Next example is integrate f of x y z is equal to minus square root of x square plus y square over the circle rt is equal to a cos tj plus a sin t k. Note that here coefficient of I is 0. T varies from 0 to 2 pi. Now here C is given by RT is equal to a cos tj plus a sin tk. From this dr by dt, its derivative with respect to t will be minus a sin tj plus a cos tk. So its length will be square root of a square sin square t plus a square cos square t. That is, taking a square common, we get 1, and square root of a square is a. Also, what is f of x y z here? That is minus square root of x square plus z square. Therefore, f of rt is equal to minus square root of x square. What is x here? Coefficient of I is 0, so x square is 0, plus x square is a square cos plus, okay, x square is 0 plus z square. Z is a sin t, so it's square, a square sin square t. So what we get here? Minus a sin t. So we get minus a sin t for, because it depends on t. So if t is between 0 to pi, then we get answer minus a sin t. If t is between pi to 2 pi, because here t varies from 0 to 2 pi. So if t is between pi to 2 pi, then we get plus a sin t. Okay. So now let us use the formula. Integration of f of c ds is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi f of rt mod of dr by dt into dt is equal to So integration from 0 to pi plus integration from pi to 2 pi. So here f of rt is minus a sin t, mod of dr by dt is mod a, so here it is taken mod a square, plus here again f of rt mod a sin t, and again dr by dt is mod a, so here is square of mod a. Okay, next, so after integration of minus sin t will be cos t, so it is a square cos t from 0 to pi. Again integration of sin t is minus cos t, so here minus a square cos t with limits pi to 2 pi. So it's after applying limit, what we get here, after applying limit we get here a square cos pi minus a square cos 0, okay, first bracket, minus in second bracket a square cos 2 pi minus a square cos pi. So here we know cos pi is minus 1, so here we get minus a square, cos 0 is 1, so minus a square, this minus in bracket cos 2 pi is 1, so here we get a square, cos pi is minus 1, so we get plus a square, means we get minus 2a square minus 2a square, that is minus 4a square. Okay, so our answer is, so integration over this curve is minus 4a square. Okay, let's stop here. Next lecture we will start next topic. Thank you.